Welcome to the System 3000 Installation Guide. Before you start, ensure you have the necessary tools required. Solid installation. Step 1A. Mark out the partition layout as per the drawings. Cut the head channel and steel track to required lengths. Drill clearance holes and fix at 600mm centers with suitable fixings. Step 2A. Using a plumb line, mark position for steel floor track. Cut steel track and fix at 600mm centers with suitable fixings. Step 3A. Cut the studs to length by deducting 10mm from the inside of the head and floor tracks. Clip into position at 600mm centers, ensuring plumb alignment. Step 4A. Measure, cut and position plasterboard, ensuring that board edges are plumb and aligned with stud center lines. Fix boards with 25mm drywall screws. Repeat this process until partition is fully boarded. Step 5A. For square edge plasterboard, cut the clamping strip and fix at 300mm centers over the board joints. Cut and fix skirting into place. Cut cover trims and clip onto the clamping strips. For tapered edge plasterboard, tape and fill board joints and screw heads and sand smooth. Cut and fix skirting into place. Solid incorporating glazing installation. Step 1B. Ensure completion of steps 1A to 3A. Cut stud transoms to length and insert the transom brackets. If glazing extends to the partition head, cut a stud length to clip into the head track, forming a box for the full opening extent. For fully glazed and glazed to door head, 3 95mm long studs fitted equidistant between the floor track and the transom. For part glazed, 1 stud is cut to fit between the floor track and the transom. Step 2B. Assemble the window frame by screwing the pre-drilled holes in horizontal sections into the vertical section screw ports. Fix plasterboard fillet within the head track. Position the glazing frame on the transom, secure fixings, and push the secondary stud firmly against the frame. For mid-glazed or glazed to door head, fix a second transom on top of the glazing frame and fit an intermediate stud. Repeat this process for each window frame. Step 3B. Measure, cut and slide plasterboard into position, above and below the window frames. Fix boards into place with 25mm drywall screws. Cut the clamping strip to length and fix at 300mm centers over the board joints. Cut and fix skirting into place. Cut the cover trims and clip onto the clamping strip. Step 4B. Square cut the glazing chair, fit horizontally and complete installation with the vertical sections. Cut and install the glazing beads in the same sequence as the glazing chair. Door frame installation. Step 1C. Cut vertical studs to length by deducting 10mm from the inside of the head and floor tracks. Box together, insert softwood infill and clip into position. Step 2C. Screw the transom in position with brackets facing upwards, ensuring it's level. Step 3C. Install solid or glazed door surroundings as per previously explained steps. Step 4C. Notch the lock side of the vertical stud to accommodate the lockbox. Step 5C. Fit mitre cleats into the door frame head and secure in place with screws provided. Cut and offer the stiles into place at an angle, ensuring closed mitre joints. Once plumb, secure into place with screws provided. Step 6C. Cut and fit door frame seal, fix lock keep and locate hinges. The door frame is now ready for the door to be hung. For any further assistance, contact the Truline Systems technical team.